Sukhendu Shekhar Rai justify that comment. Tie Narendra Modi up in a rope and pull him back, pull him to jail. I mean, she can also respond to Modi, but this kind of...
Whatever, you may not agree with the language or the tone, but whatever my leader, Ms. Mamata Banerjee, has said, she has meant to say that stern action should be taken by the Election Commission of India, because Mr. Modi has not only violated the model code of conduct, but he is spreading venom on the communal line. He is trying to divide the people and to create
or is it that she wants to be seen to be the person taking on Narendra Modi because it suits her purpose?
Okay. And the religious minority.
Okay, Piyush Goyal.
Arnab, you are right when you say that Bengal is having a composite culture, and for that matter India is also having a composite culture. Swami Vivekananda in his Chicago address said that I represent a country where many caravans came from different parts of the globe. This is our cultural heritage. And looking at the elections, and after assessing the ground reality that the Gujarat model is no longer accepted by the people, he is trying to create fear psychosis in the minds of the linguistic minority and religious minority in the manner which is not only be condemnable, but
Piyush Goyal,
every patriotic citizen must take note of it and reject this type of cruel politics.
Piyush Goyal responding now, limited time on this debate. Yes, Piyush Goyal.
Arnab, once the opinion polls and the data started coming in, I think Ms. Mamata Banerjee and the entire party got so badly unnerved. They could see the BJP surging ahead, and they could see that the vote percentage had almost gone beyond 20%. And the reaction of Ms. Banerjee and her party clearly reflect that they are an unnerved lot. We have seen them behave with the Election Commission with utter disdain. My honorable leaders, Mr. Arun Jaitley and Ramakrishna ji, went and met the Election Commission today. We are very concerned that the West Bengal government, in utter disregard of Election Commission norms and disregarding the presence of paramilitary forces, they have neutralized them by giving them some routine duties and are pressurizing the West Bengal police for booth rigging and malpractices. We have complained against it. We have sought the Election Commission to take action against this inept government, and therefore they are so unnerved.
If this government,
they are trying to divert the issues to
Mr. Goyal,
I think that debate today is about development, it's about progress.
But Mr. Goyal,
we have seen the kind of development West Bengal
Mr. Goyal,
even in the last
Mr. Goyal, admit it. Mr. Goyal, it's a long election. No, Mr. Goyal, admit it. It's a long election, and everyone's, I'm sure there's an element of fatigue which picks up. But Mr. Goyal,
no fatigue. We are fresh as hell.
But Mr. Goyal, you are saying opinion polls surge, etc. Anyway, I won't tell you what you say about opinion polls in other contexts. That's not the issue. The issue is this, and I want to get Jayanta Ghoshal on this.
I have never criticized opinion polls. Arnab,
except when they don't work for you.
That we can learn a lot from opinion polls.
No. My question is not that. My question is not that, Mr. Goyal. Mr. Goyal, my question is not that. I remember. I remember.
But not when you do India signing or not.
I remember.
1,000 respondents.
I think.
Despite India signing or not.
Anyway, of late the BJP quotes the opinion polls quite a lot. That's not the point. The point is, last question to Jayanta Ghoshal.
We quote credible opinion polls, not some of which some of your panels do or your channel and newspapers do, which are based on 1,000 respondents.
Mr. Piyush Goyal, I am pretty sure. Now, anyway, let me go to the point. I am pretty sure that you have a lot of people doing opinion polls for you. And I can equally turn back and say to you, Mr. Piyush Goyal, that I don't believe your opinion polls either. Anyway, Mr. Piyush Goyal,
I have internationally reputed companies.
Yes, I'm sure.
Polls, and my size is over 100,000.
So you can. Poll. So if you think. So equally, Mr. Piyush Goyal, I don't want to push the point. But anybody will ask you. Anybody will ask you, in a country of 1.2 billion people, throwing back your own argument at you, how do you believe that 100,000 people in a sample survey because you have a lot of money and you have money to spend represents the nation? Anyway, that's not the question. The question is here tonight to Jayanta Ghoshal.
The money. It's about
May I
the
add only one
effectiveness
line?
of.
Well, Mr. Goel, no, one question. Jayanta Ghoshal.
They are international.
We will debate that another day.
They are internationally acclaimed
We'll debate that
methods of
another day,
doing
Mr. Goel. We'll debate that
We
another
follow
day.
those international
We'll
norms.
debate that another day.
Please,
My
we
last
must.
question is tonight. My last question tonight. Why has this happened, Jayanta Ghoshal? I remember Narendra Modi when he went to the brigade ground and made that speech. He said there's Narendra Modi in the center, there is Mamata Banerjee in the state, and there is also Pranab Mukherjee in Rashtrapati Bhavan. He was hinting at something else. It was nice, cozy arrangement. What happened, Jayanta Ghoshal? It was such a cozy arrangement.
No, you see, in political assessment of Narendra Modi and the BJP leadership, they have understood that they have realized that there is a wave of Modi in Bengal. That is their understanding, and they are thinking that they should not be shown as a just ally of Mamata, or only NDAism cannot give the proper result. Because in 2004 and 2009, BJP lost actually lot of seats only for this coalition dharma.
Yeah.
So now this time the strategy is not only against CPM, the ruling party is Trinamool, and after 3 years there is an anti-incumbency, that's a law of nature. So we should explore the discontent of the Bengali people, and that is the strategy. So there is a change of strategy in BJP also
there is a
under the
change of
leadership of
strategy.
Narendra Modi. But you know, yesterday also, but Arnab, one
Need
thing
to
is
close,
very
need to
interesting.
close.
Yesterday also, Narendra Modi clarified about the laddu and rasagolla.
Need to close.
And
Piyush
what
Goyal wants.
he actually meant when he said that in Delhi I will be there, and in Delhi and in West Bengal Mamata will be there, and
Got
he
it.
disassociated the
Point.
Bengal development issue.
Point is
From,
taken.
this
Point is taken. So they are
Mamata's,
taking
corruption and
they
all
are
the
taking
other
a
issues.
calculated call. Yes, Piyush, very briefly. I'm short of time. Piyush Goyal, very briefly.
Well, very briefly,
There is a
that's exactly
calculated
what
risk.
I said, Arnab.
He has taken a calculated
The fact
risk.
is that the BJP is surging ahead nationally. Every region of India, north, south,
We'll
east,
see.
west, Modi is there. Everybody is looking at him with hope and as an
Shukendra Shekhar Rai, I'm short of time.
It's very clear that we are moving towards an
One
absolute
line.
majority. We are probably
One line to
crossed it.
Shukendra Shekhar
And
Rai.
therefore- and
One line.
therefore,
It seems
Mamata ji has to recognize
it seems
this
that
is a
there is a
national
grand
election, not a
alliance
state
between the
election.
BJP, CPIM and Congress, because the way the Congress and CPIM are alleging against
BJP
us
and CPIM,
before the
that's
Election
interesting.
Commission today, BJP
don't stretch it.
BJP has followed the suit.
Don't stretch it.
and they are
If you are
equaling the
suggesting,
voice of
if you are
CPIM and
suggesting that
Congress.
Sitaram
So far we are
Yechuri,
concerned.
if you are suggesting that Sitaram Yechuri and
You-
Narendra
you
Modi
have
are working
exposed.
together, I know many
You-
things can
yes.
happen, but that level of
Yes,
fantasy
yes,
has not
yes.
been reached yet.
They
Thank you
are
very much,
equaling- they are-
gentlemen, for joining
They
me
are equaling.
on debate number 3 on the News Hour tonight.